Valley of Flowers. We came with the Blue Poppy, and we had a wonderful stay at Blue Poppy Premier Resort in Joshimath. Such a wonderful resort with fantastic views and a fantastic host. And from there we went for a trek to Gausam Bugyal, and which was wonderful. And now we have come from there down to the Valley of Flowers, and we have an excellent guide Jaydeep with us, and it's just marvelous, nothing else to say. And all our regards to Blue Poppy for arranging such a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Finish my trek. This is Valley of Flowers. I came to the bed of this river, and this is a beautiful trek which I have completed. I came through Blue Poppy, and it's been amazing trek for me. I have done Gorsan, and this is my third trek, and my guide has been Jaydeep, and he's so careful and very supporting, I would say. And the resorts where I stayed, Blue Poppy, it's been very good, taken care very well, food was good, and I'm enjoying this trip. Thank you.
Very helpful, not causing any stress, food is taken care of, everything else is taken care of.
Yes, I'll just add, my wife has already mentioned. So Oli Resort was really cute, nice, and in the morning we started with breakfast, and then from Oli we came, and then we trekked for almost 10 hours to reach the base camp. So the camp they have is just before Ghangaria. Those are really nice tents and extremely good service. You just call someone and he comes running with the hot water, with food, with anything that you need. And when you are well taken care of like this, you can really start and do the hard trek stress free. So we started today morning at exactly 7, and we are completely on track. The path up the valley was really nice. It was beautiful, thick, dense forest with variety of flowers, leaves, trees, which our guide explained very nicely. And I really like this trail because it was not at all intimidating. It was quite friendly, it was quite blissful. And now we are here at the entrance of Valley of Flowers. We'll spend some time and then we intend to go to the riverbed.
I'm so happy about Blue Poppy holidays. I never expected that this Valley of Flowers would be too good. And really, the weather has turned out very good. The food was too good in the Blue Poppy Oli Resort, as well as in the place where we are staying now. And our guide Jaydeep was too good and too great. We are totally enjoying the trip. Thank you, Blue Poppy. We are so happy about it.
We had a wonderful experience with Blue Poppy holidays, and the main why we had this holiday, it was a very memorable and a very great one, was because they had organized everything very well. Nowhere there was any kind of delay, and the guide they had assigned to us, Mr. Jaydeep, was wonderful. He assisted us whenever we found some difficulty in the treks, and he made sure that we always safe. So Blue Poppy Holidays is doing a wonderful job. I really recommend everybody to go on a trek with Blue Poppy Seeds and ask for Mr. Jaydeep specially, because he's a wonderful guide, a caring guide, and he takes care of all your needs especially. Okay, and the staff at the base camp in
Gangria, Shankar and
Rohit, they were like, hands-on staff. Like whenever we called them, we used to call them Bhaiya, Pani Lao, and they used to bring water for us. And whether it was drinking water, bathing water, whatever it was, they were really, really helpful and very nice. So on behalf of my group, I sincerely recommend, if at all you want to go on a trek, please go with
only Blue Poppy holidays.
Blue Poppy.
Blue Poppy.